Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In today's video, we will learn that how to add a video to our WordPress website. Okay, firstly, I will show you to how to add in a page using the Gutenberg editor. Okay, for that, I will create a page, video page 1. In this, we are using the Gutenberg editor. From here, select video. This is the video I have selected. Now upload it from the library. This is the 5 seconds video that I have uploaded. Select this video. So this video is coming. Okay. Now if you want to play this video automatically and or in the loop, so from here you can select more settings. If you want to play the video autoplay, whenever the page is loaded, this video should play autoplay. So you can select from here in the loop, muted, and if you don't want to show these player controls, so you can uncheck this play inline, and if you want to preload means auto. These are the preload properties: auto, metadata, and none. So I have selected the preload to auto, and if you want to select the poster image also, you can select from here. Now I will publish this page. So this video is auto playing. No one knows that you have added the video to this page. So like if you want to add a video to a website that should autoplay or should be muted or should be in loop, so you can add this way. And now if you want to add the YouTube video, so you can select YouTube from here, just paste this video and click about it. In this we don't have much controls. Autoplay feature is not here, but we can add this video. See, this video is coming. Okay, now like we have seen how to add the videos using the Gutenberg editor, and we will also see how to add this video using the code or in the Elementor. I will create a new page from here, page 2. Now I will add this video using the Elementor and the code also. Get this. First I will select the video from here. First I will add my self-hosted video. In this you can define the start time. Suppose if you want to start the video from the 2 seconds, so this video will start from 2 seconds. Autoplay, if you want to play the autoplay video, play on mobile, so this voice is coming. If you want to mute this video, loop, and if you want to hide the player controls, you can hide it. If you don't want to add the download button, you can hide it. If you want to add the poster, you can also add it, and overlay also you can add it. Okay, now I will add the YouTube video. So in this you can define the start time and end time. Here you will get all the features: autoplay, play on mobile, mutate, loop, player controls, hide. This player controls, if you want to hide, you can hide it from here. Privacy mode. आज के ट्यूटोरियल में हम देखेंगे just update it and suggested video, current video channel. So this will show the suggested from my current channel. both videos are coming. Suppose if I switch the privacy mode on, suppose like see, previously these controls were not coming, so this is the privacy mode. If I pause the video, these deleted videos are coming from my channel. Okay, now if you want to add the video using the code, so just to select this code from here. This code is coming, this video is coming. Okay, and suppose if you want to like to set the height and width for the video, so you can do that, and you can modify the like conditions according to your conditions. Modify the all these things according to your conditions. Suppose if you want to show the controls, so you can define controls. See, these controls are coming, and if you don't want to show the control, you can remove it. And so these are the features that you can add according to your requirement. Okay, now I will add the YouTube video. So click on share and add it. So if you don't want to show the player controls, so you can uncheck from here. If you want the privacy mode, so you can select check this. Now copy this whole code, just paste it. Suppose if you want to autoplay this video and also mute it. Okay, so these are the like the things that you can add in the URL. Just to paste this. Let's see what will happen. See, both videos are autoplayed, and also it is muted. If you want to show the controls, you can do it one. So now these controls will come. Okay. Now if I pause the video, these videos are not coming from my channel. So for that I will add this rel equal to 0. Now the videos are coming from my channel. If I pause the video, these videos are coming from my channel. So in this video you have learned that how to add a video to the Gutenberg editor and in the Elementor also, and you also using the code. Suppose if you are using any page builder, so you can use this code to add the video for the YouTube. So you can add this code, and if you want to add a simple video, just upload it to the WP media and add this code. It is very simple. So hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.